out of Chicago, Illinois with his beautiful wife, Natalia. He's flying a modified Pitts S-1 biplane called the Blue Demon. Now, Patrick, like many of these other pilots, started flying at the age of 5, and he was inspired by his father and uncle, who were both commercial pilots. As a child, he helped build. Thanks for a great job here flying for us this weekend at Warbirds at Monroe, especially today in this kind of wind in that aircraft. Now, taking off from the left, Teresa, we have our next performer, and that is a man returning. He flew that yellow T6 Texan, and that is Mr. Thom Richards in the P-40 Warhawk. A little tour action with the bomb squad, welcoming that incredible P-40 into our aerobatic box. Warbird Adventures also offers primary and aerobatic training in smaller tail draggers. You can, in fact, get your private pilot certificate in a tail wheel Citagria or take an aerobatic course in their Super Decathlon with Tom's operation in South Carolina. They will actually teach you aerobatics as part of your private pilot course right from the start at Warbird Adventures. Now, Tom is not an original citizen of the United States. He actually arrived at the age of P-40 American Dream after his own life story, which he toured on the airshow circuit for many years. He recently sold that aircraft and will now be displaying other operators' fighters. For example, this one owned by Miss Ed Wilsey out of Florida. And here he comes from South Carolina. Events at this new location, including air shows, even opening a drop zone. As Teresa mentioned, check out AmericanDreamSkyRanch.com, especially now that they're going to be hosting events. Go on there, they'll have a calendar for you. Take a look for the upcoming events, and also, if you just want to go in, you don't. Because you are in your own rights. They're not refurbished, they are actually new parts that they have created molds for to keep these birds flying, because Jack Roush himself is an aviator and owned P-51s. Here comes the P-40 low and fast. How can you not like those teeth? With some beautiful golden hour sunlight right here on the P-40 Warhawk. Not even just a beautiful sound as they go by, but it's also beautiful. And we actually have a 13-year-old photographer who's going to have you here with me. Thank you so very much. Thank you for having me up here, Teresa. It's been a delight. I, of course, am a Warbird fan, and I have so enjoyed being here for your very first show, and especially to be here when my dear friend of 20-some years, Mr. George Klein, takes a bow and retires as air boss. It's a great small community, and we are truly an airshow family. Now, just a few housekeeping tips as we watch these aircraft come into land. Please, 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 if you see trash on the runway, please pick it up.